Welcome guys to Sayon Busy Made It Easy channel. The only channel in Ghana is Amphias. Today we are going to continue our series on the Bece 2025 Mathematics PASCO question. Today we are going to quickly go through question 4. Question 4, as the question has been posted on the screen, a woman borrowed 5,300 Ghana cedis to pay her child's university fees. If she borrowed at a rate of 8% simple interest per annum for 9 months, find the interest paid. This is a simple interest question, and as we all know, interest, which is I, is your principal times your rate times your time, all over 100. So in this question, our principal was 5,300. Our principal is 5,300. Rate, as the one normally given in percentage, is 8%. Then our time was 9 months. Yes, not a full year. Normally, in simple interest, they normally give the time in years. But this one, it was given in months. So you have to know that it was not for the full year. Yes, and this 100 is there because of the rate always given in percent. So we multiply our principal, which is 5,300, times our rate, which is 8. Then the time is 9 months. And we know we have 12 months to make a year, so we divide it over 12 all over the 100, which is inside the formula because of the rate. Now, as we see here, we can cross out these two zeros with these two zeros here. Now, out the two zeros here. Now, we find a number that can divide the 8 and the 12 as well, which is 4. So 4 can cross out here 3 times, 4 can cross out here 2 times. Now 3 can also divide itself 1, it can go here 3. So now we have our 53 times the 2 left times the 3. Yes, so we multiply 53 by 2 times 3, which is 6. So 53 by 6. 6 3 is 18. 8 remainder 1. 6 5 is 30 plus 1. 31. So our interest is now 318. So we can conclude by saying that the interest is equal to 318 Ghana cedis. Once again, take note, the time, this one was not in years. It was 9 months. So 9 out of the 12 months, then you multiply it through. And the 100 is always here because the rate is normally given in percentage. So this is the interest the woman is going to pay on the principal of 5,300 at a rate and a time of 9 months. So this is it. Let's quickly take the B, 4B. So the 4B says that a father shared his piece of land to his 3 children. The first child has 2/5 of the land. The second child has 5 acres more than the first. So as I said on the question, the father shared piece of land that we don't know. For the 3 children, the first child has 2/5. The second had 5 acres more than the first. Then the first child had 20 acres. So find how many acres of land the father shared. The first child will see, the second child will see. This one, the total land given was not known. So here we say let the total land be equal to x because we don't know. So this one, the first child has 2/5 of the land, so it will be 2/5 times x. Yes, and the second child had 5 more than what the first child had. So if this is the first child's own, which is 2/5 x, the second child will have 5 plus 5. So this is 5 more than the second child. And we know the third child had 20 acres. His own was given. So this one, how do we know the total land given? So we write the equation for that. So the I, so total land shared. Total land shared, we are going to have the first child portion, the second child's portion, plus the third child. Of 1, 1, then what we plus 20 times 5 like 10, which is x. The LCM is going to be 5. Here we have 2x here plus this one too. We have 2x plus 5, 25 plus 5 times 20, which is 100, or is equal to 5x. So here will be 4x plus 125 is equal to 5x. So now to find x, we leave the 125 here, then we send 4 to the other side to be 4x. So we have 125 is equal to x, or we can say x is equal to 125. So therefore, the total land share is 125 acres. So this is the total land, the mine share that was given, that is the x. So let's quickly take the II. So we have to find the portion of land the first child received. And we know the first child's equation was he got 2/5 of the land, which is 2/5 x. So, and we know x is equal to 125. So we just write 2/5 times 125. So 125 divided by 5. So 5 going here 2, here 10. We subtract, get 2 0, then here 5. So 5 going to 25, 5. So 5, 25. So 5 can go here 1. 5 can go into 125, 25 times. So now we have 2 times 25, which will give us 50. So therefore, the first child received 50 acres. So the first child also received 50 acres. So let's take the last one, which is the amount the second child, or the portion the second child received, which is the II. So the amount or the portion the second child received, and the second child had 5 more than the first child's portion. So this is the first child's portion, then 5 more will be this. So, and we know our x, which is the total land share, was 125. So we have 2/5 times 125 plus 5. And we know that 5 going to itself 1, 5 going to 125, 25 times. So now we have 2 times 25 plus 5. So multiplication and addition, multiplication. So we have 50 plus 5, which is 55 acres. So therefore, the second child received 55 acres. Second method is you can also add the first child's portion to the third. You can also add the third child's portion to the first child's portion. Then you subtract it from 125 to get the second child's portion. That's the second method you can also solve. So this brings us to the end of question 4, which is also 15 marks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Recommend to all students to have a benefit of it. Until we meet again, we say bye-bye.